Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. So you're all set to get going with affiliate marketing, but you don't want to use a website, or you can't afford a website, or you think it's too complicated, but you know affiliate marketing is for you. I'm going to show you the two best social media sites that you can use and exactly how you can use them to do affiliate marketing without a website in this video. And we're going to get started right now with the first site, and that first site is Pinterest. Now I want you to pay attention to something that you may not know exists, but if you're going to use Pinterest with this strategy, this is what you need to understand. As you see here on the screen, this is a standard Pinterest account, but you'll notice a word up here. That word is business. You need to make your account a business account, and I'm going to show you why. So as you know, when you're inside of Pinterest, all you're doing is you're creating boards. Now these boards are very important to understand that as you build these boards full of pins, what you're doing is you're creating a niche or a niche or a group of like-minded people that are looking for solutions to their problems, are just like the same things and are shopping. So each one of these pins that you see on the board, printables, get in shape, plant a garden, remodel my bedroom, remodel my bathroom, are targeted, very specific things people are looking at that you want to group together under one business account. Therefore, you're making sure that you're focusing your best effort on the pins inside of that group, and they're highly targeted at people that are looking for information about planting a garden, remodeling a bedroom, remodeling a bathroom. And you're going to focus your effort as an affiliate marketer on products inside of that niche or inside of that group or inside of that board that has people coming to that board looking for information in the form of pins or images that represent exactly what it is they're looking for in these categories. And the next reason you want to make sure that you convert your Pinterest account to a business account is simply because you need to understand the terms of service and the fact that you're doing business on Pinterest when you start doing affiliate marketing using this platform. So make sure you go and you look at the terms of service and you scroll down and you read all of this, but you focus in on what's going on here in number 6, third-party links, sites, and services. Read the legal mumbo jumbo, but focusing on more simply put. Pinterest has links to content off Pinterest. Most of that stuff is awesome, but we're not responsible when it's not. And then that leads you down to number 8, which is indemnity. Again, read this. If you use Pinterest for commercial purposes, i.e. you are not a consumer, that is what you are as an affiliate marketer. You are in a business and you are in the business of using Pinterest, a social media site, as a traffic source. And you need to understand that, just like they said, more simply put, if we are sued because of something your business does on Pinterest, you have to pay our costs. Also, you should have created a business account and agreed to our business terms in the first place. If you use Pinterest for commercial purposes, i.e. you are not a consumer, you are no longer a consumer, you are producing content with the intent of doing it to make money, earn commissions as an affiliate marketer, you must have a business account and agree to the terms of business or the terms of doing business using Pinterest. And the next thing that you're going to get when you do that, that's vital to your success, is what's called analytics. And inside of your new business account, because you're actually following the rules that Pinterest has laid out to do affiliate marketing without using a website and direct linking to affiliate offers, you're going to be able to look at analytics, and you're actually going to be able to see your impressions, which is the number of times someone looks at your pins. You're going to be able to see your audience, your engagement, to include, when you get down here in your top boards, again, remember your boards are your groups. That's your niche. That's those people that are looking for solutions to their problems, are looking to buy things using your affiliate link. You can actually see the number of link clicks. And for example, you can see here, remodel my kitchen, 3,000 pins, 482 link clicks, and that's what you want to focus in on, and you want to make sure that you understand the boards and the pins that are getting links, and then you will understand why they're getting those links, i.e. traffic, to your affiliate offers, and you'll be able to make more money using Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. So Pinterest is simple. Create a pin. Right here, drop an image or a video, add your title, And then in here, add a destination link, and that destination link can be your affiliate link. And it's just that simple, and they do allow it. Now, it may not be the best practice for building a long-term business, but it could get you started. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get some free training to build a real online business. But for now, we're going to move on to social media site number 2, which is actually the number 1 recommended site. It's number 2 in this video, but number 1 recommendation from me, and that site is YouTube. Yes, YouTube, where you create content, helpful content, and the reason you're using YouTube is because it is targeted and people come to YouTube looking for answers to their questions because it is a search engine just like Google, and they literally come in and they look for how to do something or the best product that solves their problem. And that's what you're going to do, is create helpful content that shows people how to do something or the best product that shows them how to solve their problem. You can see my YouTube channel right here, 282 subscribers as of this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did this with one video. On my channel, you can see right here, 77 views, and right here underneath, get the simple puzzle software and start making money with puzzle books today. Again, it doesn't matter the niche. What I'm doing is I'm showing and demonstrating a real product that can help people, and I know it can help people because I actually use it. And what I have here is an actual link that is a direct affiliate link to buy that product. When you click on that link, it lands you on the sales page, and when people read this sales page, after I've showed them exactly how the software works, they go ahead, they click this yellow button to grab their discounted access to the product, and they simply click add to cart and they make a purchase. And that purchase looks like this right here in the form of 4 sales and $77.30 from a very small YouTube channel in a very, very small targeted niche. Again, that's a group of people that have a problem looking for a solution, and I was able to give them helpful content that solved their problem, and I earned money as an affiliate marketer. So that's how you get started. And if you would like to know exactly how to build your own online business and get started for free with free training, click the link in the card right here. Also, link in the description to watch the video that will explain that process step by step and exactly how to get that free training. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.